Hello friend, welcome to my channels once again. Today we will solve another problem of GeeksforGeeks, that is problem of the day. Question name is minimum integer. Let's solve now. In these questions, an array is given, and in this you have to find a smallest integer x that satisfy this equation. In this equation, n is the length of the array and x is the minimum element of array, and s is the sum of the all element of array. Here examples is given. Two examples are given. First one is n is equal to 3 and array given 1 3 2. Here output is 2. Let's we check approach of these questions. Let we check approach of these questions. In this question we have to satisfy this equation, that is s for sum, a for element of array, and n is length of array. So for this equation you have to now find the first of all we have to find sum. So in first step we run a loop from I equal to 0 to length of array and find sum, and in second step again run the loop and we check one by one which elements satisfy this equation. Let's now solve the first examples. First example, n is equal to 3, array is 1 3 2, array is 1 3 2, output is 2, that is this element. In step 1 we find sum, that sum equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 6, and we find sum from the loop. We run loop I equal to 0 to n I plus plus sum plus equal to, this is very basic, I think you all know that. Sum plus is equal to a of I. We find sum, and in second we run loop and we check again and again. So if I equal to 0, that equation come ai into n, ai equal to 1 into n equal to 3. क्या ये बड़ा है सम से? Is this greater than equal to sum? No. And because sum is equal to 6, I equal to 1 and 1 is 3. At position 1 element is 3. So 3 into size of n, size of array 3. Is this greater than equal to? Is this greater than equal to sum? Yes, greater than equal to sum. That is let we take an integer answer equal to 3. Yes, it true है, this is true. And we again increase the loop and get element 2 into length of array, that is 6, greater than equal to sum. Yes, this is also true, but we get another answer 2, and in this you have to find the minimum. So we get minimum is 2. That's all. That is answer, because you have to find minimum element which satisfy the equation. Let's we see the code. And one more question is that how can we find minimum? So for minimum we can do this expression minimum equal to we can use this answer equal to minimum of answer comma a of I. This expression generate minimum at all iteration, and first of all we initialize answer equal to answer is maximum integer, that is in question, that is 1 e to the 1 e to the 9, that is 10k to the power 9. Let's we see the code. Here we have taken, here given integer and n and then vector a, that is array a. We have taken 3 integer I, j, k and sum s is equal to 0. Here we have started one loop, run one loop that gives sum. Here we have taken answer that we have to return, and I have initialized this with 1 e to the power 9, that is 10 to the power 9, that is maximum value. And we have run again one loop for the check getting answer, and we in this loop we check one by one that which value satisfies equation. And I have already told you in this approach. And this equation, this code and this is same. Here we have taken integer k equal to ai, and if answer is greater than k, then we assign k into this answer. And in last we turn answer. That's now we check, now we compile. That's correct. Now we have to submit. We get some error in this code. Your code output itno. So here we getting error value due to this, that is long. We have to use all time long integer so that not we get overflow value. Again compile, then we can submit this code. That's all. That goes all test case passed. Thank you.